Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday, getting stuffed on that stuffing and turkey and all the other goodies. Well, I just want to hop on here and tell you Happy Thanksgiving, and also I'll be adding to this video. I'll be showing you the little fun that my mother, my sister, and I had Black Friday shopping. So fingers crossed it's not crazy out there. Turkey in the oven. Getting ready to make my stuffing. That kind of rhymed, didn't it? Got some water boiling there. Water getting ready to boil for the mac and cheese. My potatoes are on. Getting ready to chop up some veggies for the stuffing. Stick them in the butter to cook. My other food, my pies, pretzel salad, and look at these cupcakes I made. Salted caramel, cream cheese. So I will be getting all this stuff out and put it into bowls, what needs to go into the oven. And then we are sitting down to eat at 2 o'clock. So I just want to come on here, remind you, December 2nd, 8 a.m. is the 2025 Christmas Home Decor Tour hosted by Autumn Soul Lane. So be sure to check that out. I will be in there along with some other ladies, and we are doing our Christmas decorations home tour. So we welcome you into our home, and you can see how we decorate for Christmas. And also the video before that, which is the second, I will post this one probably Saturday night or Sunday morning. And you can see the craziness it takes. Number one, for me to get rid of all my Thanksgiving decorations and put up my Christmas in time to get my video downloaded to get to that collaboration. And then also, we're going to have you come along with my sister and my mother and I for some Black Friday Christmas shopping. Hoping it's not crazy. All right, guys, I got to get back to the stove and get things done. So you all have a happy Thanksgiving. Stay blessed, and I will see you soon.
Good stuff.
Good morning. Today is Friday, Black Friday to be exact, and we are going shopping. I got my shirt on. My sister's on a mission. My sister has a shirt too. I had already started taking down my fall decor here, that table, this table. And when I get home is when first of all, I'm going to go through all this fall stuff. Got to donate some of it. I just got too much. Yeah, I know. I hear you. I say that all the time. But it's true. I really got to do it. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to start decorating for Christmas. I only have this afternoon, this evening, and half of the day tomorrow to get my Christmas decor up. So I will probably, I don't know if I'll film starting to decorate or not yet. I haven't decided, but I will do a little filming out there in Crazy Land today. Hopefully it's not too crazy, but I will see you shopping. Hi again. We are on our way shopping. Yay! Okay, guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. Like my shirt, my little Yorkies. Anyway, today I got to get on the ball and finish Christmas decorations for the collab that's coming up on December 2nd. I got to have everything uploaded and over to Autumn Soul Lane this evening. So I am not going to share everything because if you want to see the decorations, well, you're just going to have to tune in December 2nd. But anyway, I will let you see me put up my tree and maybe start decorating it. But that's the only hint I'm going to give you, okay? Yesterday we did go shopping, my mother, my sister, and I did not video a lot, especially inside the stores. Well, you know what Black Friday is, and plus we really didn't find too much, unfortunately. But we did have fun time spending together. So let's get started putting the tree up. I think I'm going to put it up here. Now I want to make sure that all the lights work. Lights work. All right. I'm going to fluff up this tree, but I'm not going to bore you with me fluffing it. Lights on it, decorated, and I've got so much more to do. All right, guys, let's get the puffin. I think it needs another string of lights, don't you? All right, let's put another one on. So tell me, guys, do you guys ever get to doing something and get a song stuck in your head that you just cannot get rid of? Well, yesterday, while we were out shopping, my sister started this thing of a bird. I guess it was, this lady has a bird, and she was making breakfast. It was on TikTok, and she was singing this thing to the bird, and now it is stuck in my head even as today. She goes, making pancakes, making bacon pancakes, making pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. That's in my head. I'll put a little clip up here, but I can't get it out. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Thanks, sis. Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
You want to do bacon pancakes? Okay. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Winnie is hiding in the kitchen. I think she's afraid of the tree. Cooper, he's in the window, waiting for me to stop so he can pee. Ha ha ha! It's a run. No, seriously, Cooper is like very particular about things. This is embarrassing to say, but hey, it's real life, right? We're honest with each other. Everything's real. Well, anything out of place, he has to go do a little spritz. Not a full pee, just a little spritz. So, anytime I have guests over, do not put anything on the floor. Don't put it on the table. Put it like in the kitchen, on the counter, on the dining room table. Not where he can get it, because he'll think it's his and he'll claim it. And if it looks good enough, he'll take off with it. Same with her. She will take off with it. And where does she go? Under the bed. But she's pretty much a scaredy cat. Winnie is very anxious. Cooper, he's territorial. Okay, guys, I got the lights on. I see here, I need to fluff these lights out a little bit so you can see them. And, oh yeah, I think I might have to add another string of lights. I'm going to sign off right now because you can't see any of the decorations that I put up. Not until December 2nd. So, thank you all for watching. I'm going to put you down here so I'm not shaking. Making pancakes, making pancakes. So thank you all for watching, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish decorating this tree. I'm going to put some more lights on because on video here I can really see that. I think it needs more lights, don't you? Well, anyway, I am going to end this video. It's been a short video because, well, because. So I am going to finish decorating the living room, the kitchen. I got to run to the store and pick up a few things. And you guys can see the final results on December 2nd. So check in then. So I will, I guess this video it's short. It's more like a vlog, which is fine, right? So, to my grandkids, my nieces and nephews, I love you. I miss you. And I can't wait to see you over the holidays. Hopefully before then, no. But anyway. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I sure could use some more subscribers. That would be a great Christmas present if I can get to 400. I'm at 308 now. Let's get me to 400. And thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love chatting with you guys. All right. See you December 2nd, if not before then. Bye.
Want to do bacon pancakes? Okay. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.